Pretty cool. Very, very cool.
Áudio foda, né?
Pretty. It is very pretty here. It's the Beverly Hills of Fort Worth. Pretty, especially around the Christmas time. And we're gonna go to our next stop. Let's see. Yeah, this place, really nice place to come by and chill. But it's very, very pricey. Just know that. Car elevator here, jeez. I don't know what that's. But yeah, usually it's not too packed, even during the daytime. Really nice place to come, have lunch, brunch, you name it. Clearfork, it's alright, and great place to walk around.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Now we're gonna experience the drive through. Oh, speed bumps. Let these people cross. It's like a speed hump in the Type R, man. Let them go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
You can see it. The Ferris wheel at night. Oh, the rain shut it down though. What's up, you guys? It's the very next day, and the weather got really bad yesterday and canceled the meet, so we're on our way to meet Z and the girls and go have dinner together. It was pretty good. Imperial Hibachi, really good. It's located over here by Lazy Dogs over in Colleyville. Definitely worth it, guys. Check out that moon. Try to focus. Oh, this is too wide. Yeah, well, no, almost.
Turn left. Then turn right.
We had to stop for coffee before work. Oh well. Yeah, always try to get coffee before work. Yeah, it's pretty well on camera.